Welcome, listeners, to another exciting episode of Cryoto's Maintenance Management Today. We have an interesting topic to discuss, integrating Internet of Things with maintenance management software. Joining us is our special guest, Mayapan, an expert in IoT and maintenance management. Welcome, Mayapan.
Thank you, Gopi. I'm thrilled to be here and discuss the fascinating intersection of IoT and maintenance management software.
Fantastic. To start off, could you briefly explain what IoT is and how it relates to maintenance management?
Absolutely, Gopi. The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to a network of interconnected devices embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies. These devices can collect and exchange data, enabling them to communicate and interact with each other and with humans. When it comes to maintenance management, IoT plays a crucial role by providing real-time data from equipment, assets, and infrastructure.
That's interesting. So how can IoT be integrated with maintenance management software? What are the benefits?
Excellent question. By integrating IoT with maintenance management software, organizations can gather real-time data from sensors placed on equipment. This data includes information about machine performance, environmental conditions, and even predictive indicators of potential failures. By analyzing this data, maintenance teams can proactively identify maintenance needs, schedule repairs or replacements, and optimize maintenance operations.
It sounds like IoT integration can revolutionize maintenance practices. Could you give us some examples of how IoT and maintenance management software have been successfully implemented?
Certainly, Gopi. One example is in the manufacturing industry. IoT-enabled sensors placed on machines can monitor variables like temperature, vibration, and energy consumption. Maintenance management software can analyze this data in real time, detecting anomalies and predicting failure. This allows maintenance teams to schedule maintenance tasks based on actual equipment condition, reducing downtime and improving overall productivity. Another example is in facility management. IoT sensors can monitor factors like occupancy, lighting levels, and air quality in a building. Maintenance management software can use this data to optimize energy consumption, identify HVAC system issues, and enhance occupant comfort. It helps in reducing energy costs and creating a more sustainable environment.
Fascinating applications indeed. Now, what are some challenges that organizations may face when integrating IoT with maintenance management software?
Integration challenges can include compatibility issues between different IoT devices and maintenance software systems. Organizations also need to ensure data security and privacy when dealing with sensitive information from IoT devices. Furthermore, there can be a learning curve for maintenance teams to adapt to the new technology and effectively utilize the insights generated by IoT data.
Those are important considerations. May, as we wrap up our discussion, what do you foresee for the future of IoT integration with maintenance management software?
I believe we're just scratching the surface of what IoT can bring to maintenance management. As technology advances, we can expect more sophisticated sensors, improved connectivity, and enhanced analytics capabilities. The integration of IoT with maintenance management software will become even more seamless, allowing organizations to further optimize maintenance operations, reduce costs, and improve asset performance.
Exciting times lie ahead. Thank you, Mayapan, for sharing your valuable insights on integrating IoT with maintenance management software. It has been a pleasure having you on the show today.
Thank you, Gopi. I enjoyed our conversation. I hope it inspires listeners to explore the immense potential